To crack UPSC prelims, you require common sense more than knowledge. Guys, most of the questions in the prelims examination you can solve using elimination technique. My name is Santosh Pandey. I cracked the prelims examination all 6 times with one of the highest score ever scored by any UPSC aspirant. And today I'm going to show you how using elimination techniques you can solve most of the questions in the prelims examination. This is a PYQ of 2020 prelims examination. Let us read the question. Consider the following statements. Aadhaar metadata cannot be stored more than 3 months. State cannot enter into contract with any private corporation for sharing of Aadhaar data. Statement 3 says Aadhaar is mandatory for obtaining insurance product. Statement 4 says Aadhaar is mandatory for getting benefits out of the Consolidated Fund of India. Guys, if you minutely observe these two statements are similar. Cannot. Aadhaar cannot be stored. State cannot enter in a private contract. Okay, these two statements. And now these three statements, 3 and 4, are similar. Aadhaar is mandatory. So out of these two statements, one statement has to be true, and out of these two statements, one statement has to be true. Okay, now you can see why, because there is a rule that similar kind of statement, at least one has to be true. Okay, similar kind of statement, at least one has to be true. So guys, logically if you think, can state enter into contract with a private party to share our Aadhaar data? Obviously not. Aadhaar is very crucial. It cannot be shared with any private player. So this statement has to be correct. Okay. So this statement has to be correct. And guys, out of these two statements, Aadhaar is mandatory for any insurance product and Aadhaar is mandatory for benefits out of Consolidated Fund of India. So obviously statement 4 is logically more correct, more appropriate. So we get the answer statement 2 and 4. Like this, guys, I have taught elimination technique in my PYQ master classes, and I'm framing questions on similar pattern in my test series, which is Laksh test series. Start watching these videos and start solving this test series. Thank you.